Problems of moral justification. Whenever we talk about the ethical debate, whether it is related to animals, human beings, or to the plants, moral facts are involved in several ways. For example, moral theory may ask to provide an account of truth and falsity of moral judgments. Whenever we talk about this practice, we cannot dismiss it at any cost as an odd. So, what is the level of moral truth? This has to be decided by ourselves, that where the moral truth is standing, what is the standard of the moral truth. Some philosophers believe that languages play a very important role in explaining the moral truth. For example, I am giving you one example. First sentence is that Mr. Smith ought to be kind to his grandmother. And the second sentence is Mr. Smith ought to be kind to his grandmother no less than snow is white. So what do you think? Which sentences has high moral truth? I hope you people say that the second sentence has greater moral truth. So I repeat, Mr. Smith ought to be kind to his grandmother no less than snow is white. So this sentence had a good moral truth. Now, in the other way, moral theory also provides an account of justification for moral values. Keep in mind that moral judgments are objective really in a true sense, because they correspond to the objective moral facts. Now, if you talk about the moral values, then keep in mind that the solution to all the moral problems can be solved only by convincing the others. There is need to discuss the moral views with each other and solve them. But the problem is that in a community there is heterogeneous act in a class. Then how we can reach to the essence of one moral act? So this is somewhat very difficult. अब moral disputes दो तरह के हैं. Number one is conflicting attitudes and the second one is incompatible actions. Keep in mind that sometimes man is considered as evil morally. Why? Because actions are sometimes acted in an evil way. So actions are sometimes act in a correct way, and most of the time they are morally incorrect. If we talk an example of Hitler, then Hitler was an example of moral evil person. But this is not a right suggestion or the example given by the philosopher, because Hitler has his own physical traits of behavior, thinking and intentions. Now, we can resolve these moral disputes by two ways: by resolving the attitudinal differences, and secondly, by bringing about the unified behavior. It means that we have to adapt the system, and we have to stay in a system, then we have to adapt the behavior of others. So we have to bring about the unified behavior. Now, we can solve the moral facts. अगर हमारी इल्मी रिसाई moral facts तक हो तो हम moral values को properly justify कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि एक philosopher ने कहा, moral facts are epistemically accessible to normal, reflective, intelligent people because such individuals make progress towards finding out. Means they want to find out something new. They have the ability to give answers to the ethical questions. So this type of knowledge is rational to the moral opinions.